to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Hey Alecias, it's Alecia here.
And it's Alecia here.
So today it's super nice and we thought we'd go take a drive and see where we end up.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so it looks like we're on the George Washington Bridge now.
Woo! We're going to Manhattan. We're going to Manhattan. We're going to Manhattan.
Hey guys, so we actually finally made it and we are in Manhattan and we're at the High Line. It used to be train tracks, but now it is a park. So that's really cool.
Let's go see.
Apparently there's also Banksy art here, so that's really cool.
It's kind of like walking in the trees because all of them are like going up here. That's cool.
What do you think, Aiden?
I like it. It's super cool. You can see everything.
Yeah. That's an awesome view.
The sun is out, but it's still very cold. But we're still trekking it out.
Guys, look at that building. It looks like somebody just like crumpled aluminum foil.
Huh?
Look at that statue.
Oh, cool.
That's so weird.
Not weird, it's different.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's colorful, right?
Okay guys, so that aluminum foil building is actually called the Bloomberg Building.
Like, pumped all the air in it.
Huh?
Looks like they pumped air in it.
It does look like they pumped air in it. It's kind of cool. Funky. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a honeycomb.
Wait, it could be a pine cone.
Huh?
It's like a pine cone.
Like a pine cone, yeah.
Oh, the floor's sparkling. So we wanted to go to the shop, but we have to walk around first. And Dad wants a Porsche for his birthday. So we're finally in the shops.
No.
I don't even know what I'm doing in here, but I like it.
Me too.
for a walk and only Aiden would find a Kate Spade store.
Come down to Hudson Yards. Kate Spade. It's amazing. They get what you want instantly and they let you try everything. I literally just got a phone case and a backpack.
Okay guys, so we're basically going to take the tracks back to the car.
I'll be back, Kate Spade.
What kid even wears Kate Spade? Is Mom creating this monster? Who's creating this monster? Okay guys, so we're back in the car and we did end up going to the shops, but when we had to leave, Mom basically had to drag Aiden out of Kate Spade.
Yeah, no one dragged me.
Well, you didn't leave there unwillingly, so yeah. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!